Welcome back, Daydreamer, to another episode in the challenge series between myself and the not-so-average builder, Tom. Today we're going to continue working on the Gunner Zaku Warrior build.
Ragtag Daydreams is sponsored by NewTypeHQ.com.
Okay, as you know, this is a really big project. This is a challenge build. There is a lot that's going into it. There is a lot of work being done week to week, and the project has been extended to February 14th. We both decided that we needed a couple more weeks to get our projects finished, and so that's where we're at right now. This should be the second to last episode, and I really hope that I can get done even with the 2-week extension. So, that being said, hopefully next week I will have everything completed and I'll be able to show you the lit, vinyl wired, fully painted, customized, diorama, everything, yeah, done. Done. Weathered, decaled, the whole thing. Whew. So, because there's so much work to do, let's get started. Okay, to start us off today, let us look at the paint job for the gun. I'm a really big fan of purple, and I hope you are too, because this is really purple. I actually wanted it to be a little bit more pale than this, but then once I saw the result, I thought, you know, this kind of plays. So we're going to keep it just like that. We're not going to repaint that, but we do need to do some detail work. And for that, we're going to just use regular old Tamiya flat red and a brush. Painted that. I might just leave it kind of like that where the edges are darker. That's okay with me. It's okay with me. It almost looks like it's been shaded, pre-shaded, what have you. That's all right. That's all right. Add in those extra vent pieces. And that's right, more chrome. Woo! Okay, so this is it. She's lit. Let's turn some lights out and let you see it. Like that. And like that. All lit up. Looking good. Yes. Yes, indeed. Looking fine. Okay. Whew. Now, got all that taken care of. The wiring is all the way through the backs of the legs. There is a lot of wires in the backs of the legs. Holy crap. But this kit is as done as it's going to be right now. So, looks like we need to start on some decals and a diorama. Let's get to it. Okay, diorama time. This is just plywood. It's a scrap piece that I had in my shop. I am a amateur woodworker, and so I've got spare wood, you could say. So let's get started. First things first, we need to make sure that we take some of this stuff off and get it prepared for the diorama, while also leaving room for a border or frame that I'm going to put on this later. So, just regular masking tape. Flip this over to our dirty side, and let's get to work. We're going to apply the plaster cloth just like last time when we did some stuff like this, only this time we're going to add some hills and things to this without using the styrofoam. We're going to try a different method for that and see how it works. Okay, time to clean up. Okay, that is over with. We are going ooh. Get poopy. Bob Ross. Alright, so whenever you Bob Ross your brush and everything is painted, let it dry. Okay, so let's get into some texturing. If you can see right here, right in there, you can see all those holes and everything from the gauze, the cloth. You can see the cloth right here. There's a lot of spaces on this that you can see that cloth. So I have a good shape going on, And thinking about it now, I probably should not have painted this so soon, but it's okay. That's a nice base layer. We can always use that. As you guys know, when you base layer and add layers on top, it adds more depth to your look. So this is not that bad. Let's look at adding some texture though, and to do that, let's get our baggie of white powder. No, this is not several $1,000s worth of cocaine. No. This is baking soda. We're also going to use some Mod Podge. And I'm hoping this is still good because I actually forgot that I had this. Take and pour some of this, a decent amount actually, into it. If you've ever seen some of this, if you've ever seen some of the scenic material, they usually come in small jars, maybe about half the size of this this Mod Podge here. If you've ever seen that kind of stuff, and it has textured scenic or landscape or what have you material. If you've ever seen that, essentially that's what we're going to make. Yeah. So if you've ever baked, that's what you're looking for. Is you're looking for something that's around a soft peak, not a stiff peak. Okay? And when you have that, you're good to go. Because we're going to go back into this later on, and you can see it stuck to my fingers. How that's, see how it's crumbly like that, and it is dusty, but it's stuck. Okay, that's the texture that you're going to have in here, and that's really what we're looking for. Yeah, this is pretty good. Since this is going to take a while to dry, that'll be where we stop. All right, so this is the completed kit. I don't really know what else could be done to this kit paint-wise or anything like that. There are a few panels that need some touching up. Of course, the whole thing needs to be decaled out. I have water slides ready to go. There is, as you can tell, a mess of wires coming off of this thing that need to get ran through the diorama base. But I've got a week left, really, by the time this episode airs, is uploaded, is ready on YouTube to make the rest of this build happen. So there is a lot of work ahead of me. If you're enjoying this series, please feel free to give me a like, share it with anybody that you think may like it, and if you're not subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. Listen, I know I'm running long, okay? There's a lot of stuff going on. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to check out these videos up here for more stuff from me. And until next time, I'm Justin, your ragtag daydreamer, and I'll see you soon.